In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Otter AI Notetaker to Google Meet. This powerful tool can significantly enhance your meeting experience by providing accurate, real-time transcriptions, allowing you to focus more on the conversation and less on taking notes. Let's dive in and explore how to set this up in a few simple steps. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Otter Voice Meeting Notes page at otter.ai. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL, or simply searching for Otter AI in your search engine. Once there, you'll want to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, take a few moments to sign up. It's a straightforward process, and having an account opens up a range of useful features. Once logged in, you'll see the option to click on AI Notetaker settings. This is where you can customize settings to better suit your needs. You might be wondering why it's necessary to adjust these settings. Well, Otter allows for a lot of flexibility, and changing these settings could optimize the functionality depending on the type of meetings you frequently hold. For example, you can adjust how the note taker integrates with your calendar events or determine other preferences that help streamline your workflow. After you've personalized the settings to your liking, make sure to click Confirm. This action saves the changes you've made. It's always a good idea to double check that everything is set according to your needs before moving on to the next step. This ensures a smooth experience without any hitches once you're in a live meeting. Now, with your settings confirmed, direct your attention to the Google Calendar integration option, often simply listed as Google. Clicking on this allows you to connect your Google account with Otter AI. This connection is vital because it enables Otter AI to join your Google Meet sessions automatically, serving as a virtual note taker. At this point, it's worth mentioning why this feature is particularly useful. With this setup, Otter AI will automatically generate transcripts during your Google Meet sessions and can even provide summaries afterward. This functionality not only saves time, but also ensures you capture and document meetings effectively without missing crucial details. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you've successfully added the Otter AI Note Taker to Google Meet and optimized your meeting efficiency. Whether you're in a brainstorming session, hosting a workshop, or just having a regular catch-up, Otter AI is now there as your trusty assistant. It should enhance both the productivity and accuracy of your meetings, leaving you to focus on more engaging interactions with colleagues, clients, or teams. Enjoy your newly streamlined meeting process.